Hi, my name is Curtis Leger with BCH Marketing. I was just doing this quick video to explain how I can help you with your tree service business. This is an example of one of the tree service sites that I've created here in Lafayette, Louisiana. Maybe not the best example because the owner is not that great at answering calls and actually following up on all the leads, but it does show what I can do. This is just past few months. You can see over the time, 2, 4, 6, 8 calls per day, how many calls he's been getting each day, how many calls he's not answering or answering. Some of them, as many as 6 calls per day. Not every day, obviously, and I'm sure you'll know, if you've been owning a business for a while, you're not going to get calls all day, every day. It fluctuates, but it does show pretty consistent how many calls he's getting, and obviously they're not all going to be sales calls. Some of them are going to be them trying to call you from Google and whatever. But consistently, you will be getting phone calls. That said, there's little bitty things that can, be done to your Facebook page, to your website, SEO, Facebook ads, lots of different things that can be done to get these calls. This particular guy, all it was just his Google My Business listing and a decent website. I can do that for you guys. It doesn't have to be crazy expensive. Doesn't have to be all kinds of stuff, ongoing, whatever. I'm not the cheapest guy out there by any means, but by no means am I the most expensive. I always try to understand, where the business owner is coming from, what they're trying to accomplish, all that. I mean, I'm not here to sell you on some craziness. I'm what you call a straight shooter. I like being honest. I like being upfront. If all that resonates with you, then go ahead and click the button below, and we'll set up a time to talk and everything, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for your time.